How to get $80 Southwest Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Open it. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for the Southwest Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, $30 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on Redeem at Southwest. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can book your flight and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount in your flight. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Southwest. The process is exact same to apply any of the offer. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, groupon.com. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals. So this way you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Southwest Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.